Hey everyone, welcome back to Mystery Media Moguls. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and complex topic. Can you file a complaint against the Supreme Court for judicial misconduct? Let's get into it. The Supreme Court of the United States holds immense power, and with great power comes great responsibility. But what happens if a Supreme Court justice is suspected of misconduct? Is there a way to file a complaint against them? The short answer is, it's complicated. Unlike lower federal judges, Supreme Court justices are not subject to the Judicial Conduct and Disability Act. This act allows for complaints and investigations of lower federal judges, but explicitly excludes Supreme Court justices. So, there's no formal mechanism to file a complaint against them. Sounds crazy, right? So, what can be done? Well, there are a few options, but they are far from straightforward. First, let's talk about impeachment. This is the only formal method to address misconduct by a Supreme Court justice. A justice can be impeached by the House of Representatives and, if convicted by the Senate, removed from office. However, this is a rare and highly political process. Fun fact, only one Supreme Court justice, Samuel Chase, was impeached back in 1804, and he was acquitted by the Senate. Secondly, Supreme Court justices are expected to adhere to ethical standards. They generally follow the Code of Conduct for United States judges, even though it's not formally binding on them. They have some degree of self-regulation and may recuse themselves from cases where they have conflicts of interest. But there's no external body overseeing their conduct. Public and congressional pressure can also play a role. Public opinion, media coverage, and pressure from Congress can sometimes influence the behavior of justices. Congressional hearings and public statements can bring attention to potential issues of misconduct. Lastly, there have been various proposals for reform to create a formal mechanism for addressing misconduct by Supreme Court justices. However, such reforms would require legislative action and potentially constitutional amendments, making them difficult to implement. In summary, while there's no direct way to file a complaint against Supreme Court justices, mechanisms like impeachment and public pressure exist, though they come with significant limitations and challenges. So, what do you think? Should there be a formal process for addressing misconduct by Supreme Court justices? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into legal and political issues. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mystery Media Moguls.